Hello everybody, I just wanted to show off the chicken coop I built the last 4 days. Cost me about 650 bucks so far. I think I need to spend another 50 or so on the feeders, but this is the finished product and I am pretty happy with it. Not sure if the birds will be happy. They're about a week and a half old, but I will let you know in the weeks to come. Let's take a look at the materials. So I decided to use, I think it's called wired cloth, right? But I'll just call it mesh. Decided to get the nice mesh instead of the chicken coop wire because it looks a little more sturdier and it looks better. And made this door a little tight, but I'm not going to cry about it. Nice clearance. This is about 7 feet, maybe 6.5 feet or so tall, so I could get in pretty easy. Here is the entrance and the ladder that I built. Not sure if I want to make a door for this or not. Maybe you guys could tell me if it's a good idea. I do live in Idaho. It does get cold. I am in a residential area, so I don't think there's any critters, a lot of critters, foxes or anything coming around. I could be wrong. I have no idea. But here's the entrance. Everything's closed off here. The material, this is just plywood that I bought, kind of a step above the standard plywood because I wanted to keep it for a while. This is just the fencing materials, about $2 each. These guys are 1x2s, I think, that are about a couple of bucks, $2.50 per 8 foot. All the hardware, obviously, Home Depot. Thank you, Home Depot. And metal roofing. Let me show you the metal roofing here. The metal roofing was the easiest. It wasn't exactly the cheapest, but it was the easiest and the best looking, in my opinion. I know people like the roofing shingles and stuff, but it was a little expensive for me. And here is the, what is this? The nesting house. I want to call it. We'll just call it the nesting house. I wanted to do roofing shingles, but had to buy a pack of the shingles, which would be like 50-60 bucks, and it was just too much money. So I bought the Flex Seal, you know, in the spray can that you buy as seen on TV, which works awesome. Obviously you can see it's waterproof and really awesome, really worked out. And try to keep this dry. I decided to extend this a couple inches, obviously not during a storm. But let me open this nesting house up for you. And 3 different sections. Hopefully these will work. Hopefully they're happy to lay eggs in here, but that is pretty much it. They should come in here, lay eggs whenever they want to. And you can imagine all in here a bunch of chopped straw. I don't know why I decided not to make this permanent here. As you can see, I could just move this around if I wanted to. Just kind of decoupled that from everything. So that is where I'm going to be picking up the eggs. Lord willing, if they are laying eggs. This is the back. This is where I'm going to do all the cleaning. Let's open this guy up here. This is pretty much it. Just one big box. We have a, I'm just going to call it a branch because that's what it is. But this is where the birds will roost if they like that. Made a little ladder for them to come up here and roost. And I decided to put white laminate so it's easier to clean all the chicken droppings or whatever they leave behind. And but these are too cheap, I think. I mean, they're all kind of peeling already. And of course, imagine all this full of chopped straw. And that's pretty much it. There is the roof at an angle so that all the water can, or whatever, can drip off easily. And that is it. I think the chickens are gonna like it, but maybe not. But I'll let you know in the weeks to come. But I'm not a construction guy. I am the least knowledgeable when it comes to that. That's Alice. Say hi, Alice.
Hi.
Yeah. But I am pretty happy with this. I will let you know once the birds are in here if they like it. And thank you for watching again. This cost about, I think I told you already, about 650 bucks. And about 4 days on and off worth of time. And that is it. Thank you, guys.